Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you all about this super cute book called Tractor by Sally Sutton. It's a very nice book. It's all about this tractor, what it's like on a farm, and all the ways that they grow crops, and the different attachments that go onto tractors to produce these crops. So as you can see, it's cool. I like this book because the first page starts by giving like a little rhyme, and then you're like, oh, we're cutting the earth. What's that cutting sound? What is it? It makes your child think. Next page, we find out what it is and what it's called. So this is a plow making the holes. And we see we have to till the soil. Well, what plants the seeds? Okay, well that's a harrow. So it's really cool. It goes through the whole process of these crops up into the end where they're eating the corn, and their tractor is having a little rest. So my son is obsessed with anything that moves, so he loves this book. He asks for it all the time. And it's a really cool book because it helps you to be interactive with your child and pausing, letting them answer first, and then finding the answer. So it's a really nice book, and that is my point of view.